Hello, my name is Roki Indaleshu. In this video, I will be discussing the types of pollution and its effect on our environment and how it affects us as humans. For this lesson, your learning objectives are to identify the three types of pollution discussed in the video and to identify ways pollution affects both humans and the environment. What is pollution? According to Harrison, pollution occurs when a chemical or pollutant is present in the environment that can cause harm. Pollution occurs when pollutants or toxins are introduced into the environment, whether it is our land, bodies of water, or atmosphere. Pollution affects 200 million people worldwide. In many places that are polluted, pregnant women are very vulnerable. In many instances, women give birth to children with congenital disabilities. Furthermore, people living in these places are expected to live as old as 45 years old. One type of pollution is land pollution. Land pollution is a degradation or destruction of Earth's surface and soil directly or indirectly as a result of human activities. When chemicals seep into the ground, it can affect the quality of soil. Soil is an important component of land because plant and other living organisms depend on it for nutrients. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, in 2014, Americans produced about 258 million tons of solid waste. Hazardous waste that is being dumped affects human health and even the environment. Factories and industries use different chemicals needed to produce products that people demand. Another type of pollution is air pollution. The air that we breathe in is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, and other gases. Air pollution occurs when different chemicals are added into the air. The burning of fossil fuels is the leading cause of air pollution. Another reason of air pollution is the introduction of sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and chemical vapors. When in the atmosphere, they can create acid rain and smog. 2 million people die each year due to air pollution. Air pollution can affect human health depending on the pollutants in the air. If the contaminant is very toxic, its effect on humans can be very severe. Finally, the last type of pollution is water pollution. According to Bradford, water pollution happens when chemicals or dangerous foreign substances are introduced to water, including chemicals, sewage, pesticides, and fertilizers from agricultural runoff, or metals like lead or mercury. Any chemical present in the water can become a pollutant if in high concentration. The Environmental Protection Agency reported that 44% of streamlines, 64% of lakes, and 30% of the bay and estuaries are not clean enough for swimming and fishing. Furthermore, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reported that 80% of pollution in the ocean comes from land through runoff. Some effects of water pollution include litter, discoloration and stench, temperature increase, causes the water to be deoxygenated, acute or chronic toxicity harming aquatic and human life, and interrupts and also changes biodiversity. About 783 million people do not have access to clean water. Not having access to clean water is essential for sanitation purposes. Not having clean water can also affect human health. With the increase in pollution, it can affect many wildlife habitats as well as our climate and weather patterns. Furthermore, the addition of chemicals in the atmosphere contributes to the increase of greenhouse gases. These gases trap in the heat, causing global warming. With the temperature increasing, it melts the glaciers and raises sea level. This is a problem that affects everyone globally. Before we end, I I would like to check if the video targeted our learning objectives. So, can you identify the 3 types of pollution discussed in the video? Can you identify ways pollution affects humans and our environment? You can show your understanding by taking a short quiz I prepared on Google Forms. Thank you, and I hope you learned something from this video.